Hello, my name is Dimitri, and here's a little program I made in using Python and ChatGPT. I did this in Python because I understand Python the most, and it's my first time coding with ChatGPT, so I wanted to understand what's happening a bit better. This is a photo manager. It looks into a folder that you can choose, and it will look at the photos inside of said folder, and looking either at the title for a format or into I think it's called the images metadata. It will find when it's created, and it will paste that into the name, and before that a number, so it still stays in sequential order. I'll give you a little demo with this folder. I'll go to, they're all the same photo. I just wanted to have a couple examples. So once I run, it'll give a little pop-up saying photo processing completed successfully. If something went wrong, it'll give me an error. If I go into the folder, I'll have a regular folder where movies and anything other than PNG, JPEG, and yeah, that's about it, are stored. And then in the complete, we can scroll down and you can see, first of all, it's listed in sequential order, so you can sort by name and it will stay in order, but also the date is properly formatted. So this one I selected date, month, year. So if you want to look at the months, it should go from 6 to 7. There you go. And another example, I'll do it with Raqqa 3. I choose that and I'll format into month, day, year. And same thing, still has the movie files that aren't touched. Both of these have a log, and as you can see, non-image file detected. In complete, we can see that it's in sequential order, and instead now you can look at the month to see how it changed, or see the order. Yep. I'm going to be expanding it in Qt, so I'll have video probably up in a week. Same thing, just more features and a new photo deleter sorter mode. Yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a comment and critique me if you see something's wrong or if I caught something, anything. Thanks. Bye.